If I'm not mistaken, you are...
Fighting.
Our real enemy isn't all the reanimated shinobi. It's Madara.
But what is this chakra?
The second Tsuchikage.
Although each one only has half his normal strength.
No, I don't need him. Someone else is here.
What is going on here?
What do you mean?
Take a close look at his eyes. He's a reanimated shinobi.
But there's no mistaking it. He's definitely Madara Uchiha.